Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Buffer to export LinkedIn assets, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, open your web browser. Navigate to the Buffer website. Create a Buffer account if you don't have one. If you already have an account, simply log in. Once logged in, go to the dashboard. Locate the option to connect social accounts. Select LinkedIn from the list of available platforms. You will be prompted to log into your LinkedIn account. Enter your LinkedIn credentials and grant access to Buffer. Confirm the connection by clicking the appropriate button. After the connection is established, return to the dashboard. You will see your LinkedIn account listed among your connected profiles. Next, find the Content section in the menu. Click on Content to begin creating your posts. Add the text, links, or images you want to share on LinkedIn. Schedule your post for later or choose to publish immediately. Review your post for any edits or adjustments. Once satisfied, hit the Add to Queue button. Your LinkedIn post is now successfully scheduled or published. To manage your posts, navigate to the Queue section. Here, you can view, edit, or delete scheduled posts. This completes the installation and setup of Buffer for LinkedIn. You are now ready to manage your LinkedIn assets efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.